everywhere, in the headlines resounding by the score. It may be another earthquake or just another war, but to every child of God, it's something more. And when I hear the sound of marching, hear the sound of battle cry, then I know my Lord is coming. Even now it may be night, and I can hear the sound of His coming everywhere. Still getting louder and louder each day. And the Christian now until the great and final sound, when the trumpet shall call me rustling in the summer breeze, as I see the Lord restores Jerusalem. And I can hear a sound from heaven as a rushing mighty wind, as God pours His Spirit out upon all men. Just here